Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling chat transcription on PS5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The chat transcription feature on PS5 converts the voice of other players to text, and converts the text you enter into text-to-speech. Here is how to set it up. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Accessibility. In Accessibility, select Chat Transcription from the left. You can now customize your chat transcription settings by changing the language and voice type. You can also click Learn More to find out more information about chat transcription on PS5. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.